thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. B.B. King. Good morning, everyone. It is with immense joy and warmth that we welcome each one of you to this significant occasion, the CBSE Capacity Building Training Program hosted here at Mount Carmel CBSE School, Shivamogga. A special welcome to our distinguished dignitaries, our ever-inspiring principal, the esteemed manager, our dedicated faculty, and most importantly, our respected resource persons. Your presence today is a testimony to our collective commitment to growth, excellence, and lifelong learning. Education, as we know, it is not just about disseminating information. It's about lightening curiosity, shaping perspectives, and nurturing a spirit of innovation. Today, we stand united with a shared vision to evolve as educators, to empower minds, and to be catalysts of positive transformation. To begin this day on a serene and uplifting note, let us turn our hearts to divine. Prayer is that quiet space where strength, peace, and clarity reside. I now invite our teachers to lead us in the prayer song. ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೇಗುಲದಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವನರಿ, ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುವೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನರಿ. ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೇಗುಲದಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವನರಿ, ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುವೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನರಿ. ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸಮಸ್ತಕ್ಕೂ ಒಡೆಯನು, ಮನುಜನ ಕಾಯುವ ರಕ್ಷಕನು. ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸಮಸ್ತಕ್ಕೂ ಒಡೆಯನು, ಮನುಜನ ಕಾಯುವ ರಕ್ಷಕನು. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನ ತುಂಬುವ ಪೋಷಕನು. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನ ತುಂಬುವ ಪೋಷಕನು. ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೇಗುಲದಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವನರಿ, ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುವೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ. Thank you, dear teachers, for that beautiful and soul-stirring rendition. May its spirit continue to guide us through the day. A heartfelt welcome paves the way for a memorable gathering. To formally extend our greetings and set the tone for the day, I now invite the gracious and eloquent Lata ma'am to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, respected dignitaries, resource persons, educators, and dear colleagues. It is with immense joy and a deep sense of purpose that I extend a heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you to the CBSE Capacity Building Training Program, proudly hosted by Mount Carmel CBSE School, Shivamogga. Today is a day of shared vision, a celebration of learning, collaboration, and our unwavering commitment to excellence in education. We are profoundly honored to welcome our distinguished resource person, Mrs. Margaret from Police Public School, Shivamogga, a trailblazer in education known for her innovative methodologies, dynamic training sessions, and deep commitment to empowering teachers. Ma'am, we are privileged to have you with us today. Your expertise and insight will surely enrich our journey. A warm and respectful welcome to you. We are equally privileged to welcome Mrs. Aruna B. from Jain Public School, Shivamogga, an exemplary educator whose work in teacher development and pedagogical advancement continues to inspire many. Your dedication to fostering meaningful learning makes you an invaluable part of this program. We extend to you our warmest welcome and gratitude. We welcome the visionary leader of our institution, Reverend Father Sunil Rodriguez, our beloved manager. Father, your tireless pursuit of academic excellence, unwavering support, and inspiring leadership are the foundation on which this school thrives. Your presence here today reminds us of the values we uphold. A gracious and heartfelt welcome to you, Father. With great admiration, we welcome Reverend Father Suresh Saldana, Principal of Mount Carmel CBSE School, Shivamogga. Father, your visionary leadership, relentless dedication, and encouragement serve as a guiding light for us all. Your support is the driving force behind every new initiative we undertake. We thank you and extend a most cordial welcome you, Father. To our participating educators from Sanjeevani Vidya Samsthe Chikmagaluru and Lakshya School Shivamogga, your enthusiasm for professional growth and your dedication to educational excellence are truly commendable. We are delighted to collaborate and grow with you. A warm and heartfelt welcome. To our own dedicated faculty from Mount Carmel CBSE School, Shivamogga, you are the heart of this institution. Your commitment to lifelong learning and your openness to innovate define the spirit of today's gathering. We thank you for your continued excellence and welcome you warmly. At Mount Carmel, we believe that teaching is a vocation, one that demands passion, purpose, and perseverance. Today's training is not just about acquiring new strategies, it is about transformation, about equipping ourselves to become catalysts of change in the lives of our students. Let us embrace this day as an opportunity to reflect, refresh, and re-energize ourselves. Let it be filled with engaging discussions, hands-on learning, and meaningful dialogue. Today, together, let us move forward in our shared mission, empowering educators, enriching classrooms. Once again, a warm welcome to one and all. May this day be inspiring, insightful, and deeply impactful. Thank you, and may God bless us all abundantly.
Morning on the campus line, notebooks, open minds online, new ideas in every room, little sparks begin to bloom. Teachers gather side by side, ready for the learning ride. Every voice gets room to grow, every child will feel it show. Step by step, we build it strong. Practice turns to hearts that know. What we learn, we pass along. Watch the whole community glow. Mount Carmel, CBS School, Shivamogga. We rise together. Mount Carmel, CBS School.
Thank you, respected dignitaries, for inaugurating this program and blessing this learning initiative with your gracious presence. Your encouragement and support inspire us strive for excellence in education and to make learning meaningful and enjoyable for every child. With open minds and eager hearts, let us now begin today's capacity building training program. We encourage all participants to engage actively, share generously, and embrace the wealth of knowledge that will unfold. It is now my honor to welcome and invite our esteemed resource persons, Mrs. Margaret and Mrs. Aruna B, to lead us through today's enlightening sessions. May today be a journey of discovery, dialogue, and deep learning. Thank you, and let's embark on this enriching experience together.
ಸಂಜೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಗೆ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗು ಒಂದು 35 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಬೇಡ 35 ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಬಟ್ ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ದ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ and the challenging task. So it should not become a choice, it should not become a chance. I thought you all are aware here or you are with me. Are you with me? Yes. It should not be by chance, it should be by choice.
Exactly, to get together and collaborate. Yes. Any other answer? Wonderful, to come out of your comfort zone. Very good. Any other answer? Exactly, sharing your knowledge, knowing each other. Might be we will work with even understanding the behavior of a child is much important for all the teachers. So here I say, whatever you see the behavior of the child in the classroom is just a see the 10% of it. Morning, I asked what was the special thing you learned. You learned a lot of disorders, isn't it? But it was not been mentioned as a disorder. Actually, those are all anxiety disorders, ADHD disorders, those are all disorders and mental issues which they face. So, these are all the things hidden. What has you teachers, has you all made with a chart and everything, what was the problem, what was the solution and everything you had made. For this to make it,
Repeat after me.
making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, unto the King of Kings.
Thumbs up.
Making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, unto the King of Kings.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up,
Elbows up.
elbows up, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, unto the King of Kings.
Thumbs up. Elbows up. Knee bend. It should be like that. Knee bend. Like this.
Making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, unto the King of Kings.
Thumbs up. Elbows up. Knee bend.
In my heart, making melody in my heart, unto the King of Kings. Thumbs up. Making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, unto the King of Kings. Thumbs up, elbows up, knees bent, feet up, turn around, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, unto the King of Kings. Thumbs up, elbows up, knees bent, feet up, turn around.
Continue to look at them. Start to draw now. You should not see where you are drawing. You should see them and draw. Draw your face. I'll give you timing. I'll give you maybe 2 minutes. Can we give them 2 minutes? 2 minutes will give you. You draw their picture. Without you just look at them and you draw. Go on, look at them. You please sing. Start. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, say hello. Hello. If you're happy and you know it, say hello. Hello. If you're happy, want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hello.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಧಾನ ಸಾಕಾಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಣ್ರಿ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಯಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಸೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗು ಟೀಚರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ
ಬಯಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೂ
ಈಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Understood the problems here, the difficulty in academics, the punishment from the teachers they experience, bullying and teasing from the classmates, and also social isolation they experience there, and also comparison with the younger sister, and criticism and humiliation from the parents and the relatives, and there also anger situation there, and feelings, the Anish felt sadness and loneliness, anger and frustration, fear and insecurity, low self-esteem, and also lack of confidence in him.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. In my school, I do inclusive education. We have an autism, a moderate autism child only I have, as I am a special educator. I handle ಮಗು ಈಗ 6th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು first standard question paper
HMH Health Committee. So first point,
C stands for cleanliness, H stands for health and hygiene committee, M stands for medical support, and again M stands for medical health and counseling. So ours is CHMH Health Committee.
First one is cleanliness, maintenance of classroom.
all, we express our sincere gratitude to our distinguished resource person, Mrs. Margaret, from Police Public School Shivamoga, for your valuable time, insights, and the wealth of experience you shared. Your contributions have not only enlightened us, but have also empowered us with practical knowledge that will undoubtedly reflect in our teaching practices. Thank you. An honor and a pleasure to extend this heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing team of Mount Carmel School Shivamoga at the conclusion of this enriching training program. We extend our deep appreciation to Mrs. Aruna B. from Jain Public School Shivamoga for generously sharing your expertise and perspectives. Your engaging session has broadened our understanding and added great value to our professional growth.